Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to remove and use green screen on CapCut PC. So let's get started. So here we are in CapCut. And from here, what we're going to do is import our footages first. So I'm going to import mine right here. So here it is. Here's my green screen. But if you have a green screen with a background, then you can also do this. But in my case, it will be like this for this example. So to remove the green screen, all we have to do basically is to go here into the video. Make sure that your clip is selected and go into video, go into cutout, and go into chroma key right here. You want to turn this on and click on the color picker and click on the green screen that you want to remove. So in my case, it will be this one right here. Click on it right here. And after that, you want to go and go for strength. You can adjust the strength right here. And you can just adjust it until the green screen goes away right there. And as you can see, there it is. And then after that, you want to go for shadow to just go and polish it right there. And let's see. I think that is pretty good already. And now you can already do this right here. You can insert the footage on that green screen. And just like that, right here, you can see it right there, right? And now we can just go and resize it just like this. Oops, sorry. Can just restart. I can just go and do this right here so that it would fit the phone right here in my green screen. Just like that. And that's it. And when I play it, it's now like this one right here. It's like it's playing in the phone using the green screen right there. And yeah, that is basically how you can do it. Thank you for watching. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.